Can I find model car kits at an automotive swap meet without going to a model car contest, model car swap meet? Well, I'm going to challenge myself, and I am going to show all the models at the Kyana Automotive swap meet here in Louisville, Kentucky. And I think there's going to be a lot of them here. We're going to find out. I may be wrong. This may be a video that's 1 minute long. This may be a video 10 minutes long. Who knows? But here's a good start with a bunch of models. And we're going to find all the models here at the Kyana swap meet. And there's some good buys. There's some for cheap, I'm sure. And there's going to be some that are expensive. But let's go see what we can find, guys. It's going to be a challenge. It's going to be fun. And yes, there's models at these shows, guys. So if you're looking for models, come to these automotive swap meets. These are all priced around, I don't know, 20 bucks a piece maybe. There's some for 15, some for a little bit less. One for 10 bucks. Another one for 10 bucks. So we're looking at 10 to 30. It's a neat NASCAR right there. Always like that Snickers car. $10. Great kit. Got that 30. Those are $50 kits. More for 30, and that's sealed too, 30 bucks. That's a good price on those. The old Big Al. So get out to these automotive swap meets if you want to find some models for cheap. I mean, there's not many of them, but there's a few booths with them. Got a bunch of semis.
Well, it'll do that too.
More models, guys. Gotta get to these shows. This is the Kyana Automotive Swap Meet. It's not a model car swap meet, but it's an automotive swap meet. There's always models and model related stuff at these shows. I gotta get me one of these. See, 50 bucks. That one guy's got 30 on them, which is a good deal. Starsky and Hutch. That's cool. I like that.
I found a few old things. I went home last night.
You probably sold it for too cheap.
People are starting to ask me about that. I don't, I already got that lettered out. That's my car. I can't. I mean, I need the money, but I drove all the way to Rhode Island. I mean, you can't find them. I told you, there's not one for sale in the country.
You're selling things for too cheap. What you got on these models?
Now that's it. That's an old. That's a Mobius. That's 30. I haven't had a chance to price them. I'm just.
Well, you better get busy.
I'm just winging it.
I'm just messing with you. I don't care.
Look at that. I'm gonna sell some T-shirts.
You gonna sell T-shirts?
I got T-shirts for sale.
You got T-shirts for sale?
Got a buddy of mine down in Florida right now. Went to the Getting National. Don Garlic signed it. He said, "I'm gonna put it in a box and never do it. Get to living.
Get to living.
You only die once. I'll be. You only get to living. That's my motto.
Get to living.
Get to living.
More models.
Heavy duty.
A lot of good stuff, guys. More models. Hit and miss out here. There's all kinds of them. It's nice. Nice piece right there. Old mags. Love the old mags. Oh, this takes me back right here. An old Carcraft magazine. That's 65. Very cool. It was in a 1965 Carcraft magazine.
You collecting magazines, dude? I got about 3,000 of them.
Yeah.
I took one in, I bought them at the auction here a while back.
This guy just happens to have 3 random models here. More random models here just on an end cap. That's a good kit right here. The Miller comes with all that extra stuff. Definitely a good kit. How much you got on your models? Okay, thank you. More models. A lot of the vendors have 2-3 model kits. More models. You just placed random at this booth. Tires and wheels. You never know what you'll find at these shows. I'm telling you guys, got to get out to these swap meets. A few more, 30 bucks choice.
I went back and forth on there anyway, so I found several of them.
69 Olds and that 69 Hornet's a very nice kit. More models. What you got on this? To me, a monkey. I don't know if I can get it out. I don't know. 30. Came from Scale Reproductions, hobby shop we were talking about earlier. Those tins are nice. One you don't see too often. What's up, man?
How you doing?
These little build engines are pretty neat. And for 40 bucks a piece, it's already done. I'm telling you, I'd be tempted to buy one and weather. That'd be a good thing to practice weathering on. Or you know, if you want one that's nice. You have 10, 15, 20 bucks in just that distributor cap and wires if you bought an aftermarket distributor cap for that side of the engine. Not a bad price for 40 bucks. Definitely a lot of models out here this weekend. Good old kit right there, that motorcycle kit. Even at this booth, I found 4 model kits. They're all over the show. It's a neat kit right there. Of course, there's a good old hot rod. How much are your models?
10.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
It's a 10 bucks choice. That's a good price. Thank you.
Open offer to the model.
Rat rods. I remember when those come out. There's a whole bunch of them back in the day. Box. All kinds of stuff down here. More models. It's amazing how a lot of these booths have just like 3 or 4 models. Here's 20 bucks a piece sealed. You can probably take less for them too. That's a neat old kit. Oh, Speed Racer. These are nice kits too. 20 bucks sealed, guys. There's kits for 22 bucks a piece. Tommy Ivo kit's a good kit. You don't see that too often. Got a ton of Hot Wheels. Got some more models. Just randomly here at a vendor selling car parts. $25 for that. I wonder what she has on this. 50. Van.
Well, there you go. I found a whole bunch of models at an automotive swap meet. This was not a model car contest, a model car swap meet or anything. It was just an automotive swap meet. I've always said, go to these automotive swap meets, get ideas for your builds, and look for models here and there. They're always tucked away in little spots, and it's kind of like a treasure hunt to find them. But this was the Kyana Automotive Swap Meet. It's been going on for about 60 years. It's a great swap meet, highly recommend it. One of the cool things about this swap meet is it's all indoors. So no matter what the weather is in March, you're not going to get cold or wet. We will see you guys on the next video on Throttle Power.